Hello, beautiful people. Today I'm talking about KGF Chapter 2. The bloodbath land of Collar Gold Mines. KGF has a new ruler now, Rocky, whose name strikes fear in the heart of his rivals. His allies look up to Rocky as their savior. The government sees him as a threat to law and order. Enemies are scheming for revenge and conspiring for his downfall. Bloodier battles and darker days await as Rocky continues on his hunt for unchallenged lordship. KGF Chapter 2 movie is a sequel to blockbuster movie KGF, and it is period movie set in the late 70s in KGF, written and directed by Prashant Neel, in which Yash will be portrayed the Rocky Bhai role in this movie. Srinidhi Shetty played the female lead role. The movie first look poster released on 21st December 2019. The film trailer is expected to release on January 8, 2020 on the occasion of Yash's birthday, but they didn't release any teaser because of Yash's busy schedule. Then they released second look poster of Rocky Bhai. Director Prashant Neel's KGF Chapter 1 made the entire country sit up and take notice of Kannada cinema. The film's sequel, KGF Chapter 2, is slated to hit the theaters worldwide on October 23rd in 5 languages: Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Hindi. In a recent statement, the makers have announced that the story of KGF Chapter 2 will move from collar gold mines to the urban cities. The scale of this film will be much bigger than the Vanguard, with the addition of Bollywood actors Sanjay Dutt and Raveena Tandon. The second installment of KGF is still on track for a grand release on October. Karthik Goida, the executive producer of Hombale Films, which is producing KGF 2, took to Twitter to reveal that the film's post-production work has resumed. After the staggering success of KGF Chapter 1 in theaters, the film also collected good response on the OTT platform. The demand for the second part is increasing, and a lot of streaming platforms have expressed interest in buying the rights. The shooting of KGF Chapter 2 is yet to be completed. According to the makers, nearly 10 days of shoot is left and they are waiting to resume the film's shoot after obtaining permission from the government. KGF follows the story of Rocky, who wants to achieve greatness. He gets into a well-known gold mafia and struggles to fight for the people who are made to struggling hard at the gold mines. Thank you, beautiful people, for watching our videos. For more updates, stay tuned with us and press the bell button.